Good morning, friends. So today's topic is which has been recently seen in the news and has been published in the Hindu newspaper. The context is the Finance Bill 2024 was passed by Lok Sabha with amendments relaxing proposal for long-term capital gain tax on real estates. Here we are going to put our impetus to understand what is a financial bill and try to solve a prelims question on that, which forms an important component of your PS2 paper as well, that is functioning of the parliament. So let's first try to understand that what is a financial bill. So as per the definition in the constitution, financial bill is a bill that deals with the fiscal matters of the government, such as revenue of the government, expenditure of the government. And as per the constitution, that this financial bill is basically a technical term which comprises of money bill, financial bill 1, financial bill 2. Money bill is under article 110, the financial bill 1 is under article 117 clause 1, and the financial bill 2 is in article 117 clause 2. Can we say that all the money bills are financial bill? Absolutely yes. Here a question arises, all the financial bills are money bills? The answer of this question is no. So now let's try to understand the differences between money bill and financial bill type 1 and financial bill type 2. What is the purpose of this money bill? So this money bill basically regulates the matters which is specifically enlisted under article 110, such as imposition or abolition of any taxes. What is the difference with financial bill kind 1? The answer is that a financial bill kind 1, it deals with the matter under article 110, that is money bill, but it also involves the provision of general legislation. And what is financial bill kind 2? It basically deals with the expenditure taken from the Consolidated Fund of India, but it does not involve any matter that is listed under article 110. The first difference on the basis of purpose has been clear to all. Now we move to the second difference, that who can introduce these bills. A money bill can be introduced only by a minister, only in Lok Sabha, and only with the prior recommendation of the president. The financial bill kind 1 try to copy the money bill here, because money bill is the ideal of financial bill kind 1. So financial bill says that I will also only be introduced by a minister, will also be introduced only in the Lok Sabha, and I will also be only introduced with the prior recommendation of the president. But the financial bill kind 2 does not have any such provisions, is normally introduced by ministers. Now the third difference arises, that what is the role of Rajya Sabha in these bills. So Rajya Sabha can return when the bill is given to the Rajya Sabha. It is passed only in Lok Sabha. When it is given to Rajya Sabha, the Rajya Sabha can return or recommend the bill with or without permission. That's it. The recommendations are accepted and not accepted. Even the Rajya Sabha does not send the bill for the maximum period of 14 days. Anything like that, the bill will be considered as passed. In the case of money bill, the authority of Rajya Sabha is completely bypassed. What was happening? As we have understand, the financial bill kind 1 is trying to be like the money bill, because money bill is the ideal of financial bill. It tried to copy him also in the role of Rajya Sabha. But in case of financial bill kind 1 and in financial bill kind 2 in the role of Rajya Sabha, this bill can be rejected or amended by the Rajya Sabha. Now the 4 point of difference is, what is the role of a speaker in these bills? In case of money bill, the speaker endorses bill as money bill, and in financial bill kind 1 and in financial bill kind 2, there is no special role of the speaker. We move to the fifth point, that is majority required. In all these bill cases, that is money bill, financial amendment kind 1 bill, financial bill kind 2, there is no need of a special majority. They all require simple majority. Now the last point is deadlock. In case of money bill, deadlock will not occur, but in case of financial bill kind 1 and financial bill kind 2, there may be a deadlock, but this deadlock can be solved by the joint sitting. I hope you all understood the differences between money bill, financial bill kind 1 and financial bill kind 2. Now on the basis of this discussion, I am going to paste the questions of prelims which has been asked in 2023, and you all must have to attempt the question and answer in the comment section.